In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can get your CapCut promo code in 2025. Getting a CapCut promo code is important because it allows you to save money on premium features, unlock advanced editing tools, and remove watermarks from your videos. To get your CapCut promo code this year, simply head to the Safari browser. It can be any other browser of your own choice. In the search bar, type in CapCut promo code 2025. You will see a bunch of different websites, but you will have to choose a legit website. Just like this website that has 10% off for any purchase you make. Tap into that exact website. Go ahead and choose any coupon code you want. When the coupon is generated, you will have to just copy the code to clipboard and head to your CapCut app. All you need to do is just paste in the coupon code before making any payment. On the payment page, double-check down if your coupon is accepted and approved before proceeding. Well, that's how easy it is to get your CapCut promo code in 2025.